So next we're going to learn how to fill in cells and select ranges. So go back into our Visual Basic editor and we're going to do sub fill in cell, right? And we're going to do this. So we have 3 sheets, right? Dennis, Travis, and Sherwood. There's 2 ways we can refer to it. So the first way is we can select the sheet number. So as you can see, Dennis is sheet 1, Travis is sheet 2, and sheet 3 is Sherwood. So if we want to fill in Dennis, we can do it 2 ways. Sheet 1.cells 11.value equals 0. So when you do that, sheet 1, the number of the sheet, .cells means we're referring to a cell address, and the address is, this one is the Y and this one is the X. So 1 down, 1 over. So 1 down, 1 over is A1. So what happens when we run the fill in cell macro? Well, cell A1, 1 down, 1 over, gets filled with our number 0 that we selected. We can also do it like this. Sheets, parentheses, quotation mark, always important, Dennis dot cells to 2 dot value equals 0. So that's going to be 2 down, 2 over on the sheet Dennis. So when we run it, there we go. What if we did sheets Travis dot cells 5, 6 dot value equals 3? What's going to happen there? Well, we run our macro, fill in cell. Whoops, I forgot the quotation. See, that's why quotations are important. So let's go ahead and run that again. All right, fill in cell. There we go. So sheet Travis, 5 down, 6 over, got filled with the number 3. Very helpful. So what if we wanted to select a range? Well, there's 2 ways we can do that as well. We can do sheet 1.range, A1, the actual address, colon, D4 dot select. So when we do that, cells A1 to D4 will be selected. Or you can dynamically refer to the range with the cell address, sheet1.range, sheet1.cells 1, 1, comma, sheet1.cells 4, 4 dot select. And that means you can actually refer to the actual cell address of the same range we want to select. There we go, same things happened. So that is how you fill in cells. Again, very important to know, and that right there is going to be a majority of what you do with Excel VBA.